2019 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, navigation system, traction control, power liftgate, keyless entry, power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start, aluminum wheels, premium sound system. Come see the car for yourself.